Hi everyone, welcome to week 2. I just want to give a brief overview of what we will be doing together this week. As always, you will begin by reading the lecture. You can open the Word document here. This lecture will help you be successful throughout this week, but it will also help you be successful throughout the rest of the session. It will cover some strategies for reflecting on your past writing experience. It will cover some coping mechanisms with writing anxiety, which I do understand that many of us have writing anxiety, especially early in our educational journeys. So this will be very helpful for you. It will cover some sentence structure, and it will also provide some pre-writing tools like outlining and brainstorming that will really help you complete your final essay down the road. Once you get through the lecture, you will go ahead and move on to your weekly discussion. So this will work just like last week. You will have to post your initial discussion by Wednesday before 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you will need to reply to 3 peers on 3 different days. This week, we're going to go ahead and discuss some strategies for overcoming writing anxiety. So remember that was mentioned in the lecture, so you can reference that while you construct your initial discussion post. After you complete your discussion post, you will go ahead and take a look at the week 2 Writing About Writing assessment. Here, you will be asked to reflect on your writing experience. Once you open up the directions, it'll look like this that I have shared on my screen here. I'm not going to go through this in full detail, so I want you to read it very closely on your own. I just want to highlight a couple important parts here. So the directions, you will be writing 300 words about your experience with writing. So I know it is challenging to reach 300 words, but don't be too nervous about that because there are some prompts here that will help you meet that word count expectation. So you just want to be sure that you carefully respond to each one of these prompts. So you will describe an experience you had in the past that shaped the way you look at writing today. You will state any obstacles or barriers that you may have faced in developing your writing skills. You will discuss the steps you believe that you can take to become a better writer. And lastly, you can describe any methods or tools that you hope you can use to improve your writing as you progress throughout your educational journey. Again, as long as you answer all of those prompts and do your best, I'm sure you will do well. Lastly, you will go ahead and take a look at our final essay. You will not be completing your final essay this week. You will only be looking at the directions and the rubric. So this will be a perfect opportunity for you to begin brainstorming which angle you want to take in your final paper. It will also be a really good time to reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns about the assignment. Other than that, that's all we have this week. And if you do have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me via email or you can use that Ask Your Instructor tab. Thanks. Bye, everyone.